RA190 Adventures with Lee again, and something to tell you before we start a journey where we're going today. New game store in Stratford, new place, has to do a game store, and we're going to check it out because it's pretty awesome there and pretty sick. Now, all round in the circles to get where we want to get to. Been to the model shop. I'll show you those trains later. I'm green now, look how old it is. We've got to find and get the right train to Richmond Way. Just hope that's our one. We'll see. Got to Kew Gardens, not going to the gardens, going to the Steam Museum. Please come with me. You'll see it a bit better this time. And got to show you something. It's something that's coming. Well, it's a bit quiet when we go further up. Show you I'm taking something. This is in the opposite direction. People don't know about our buses. There's one of the buses. London United is one of them. Company there. Off to the bottom we go. Kew Gardens is just there. Old telephone box is just here. But the telephone's to the side. And the most expensive ice cream van here. Now we've decided, if Bob is not with us on our travels, we have to bring along a little mascot, innit? Yes. It's this guy, and he goes by the name of Potato! So every time we're with Bob, we have to mention Potato!
Bob's a replacement.
Bob's a replacement, yes. It's a replacement of Potato. Yeah. So the potatoes with us today. Look at that view. Museum just in the distance. What's happening? Potatoes here again. Potatoes on our travels. See him walking along there? Bobbing up and down, getting away with the camera. Naughty potato. Again, just a bit more history. There's London landmarks. Up the top, telling you about. This is about the water and the steam. The museum's a history about the water and the steam itself, so it'd be interesting to find out things I didn't know. Some things you've already seen, and some things that you pointed out I've missed out. Apparently it's a water pumping station, a chimney and all that. And here's the original tunnel down there. We can't go down, it's all blocked off. But yeah, it's right here. I want to point out something. Water pipes, 60 AD, and have changed. That one was Tarokara. This was made with lead. This was made of wood. That was the year and the date. This was made of stone. We're getting up to date. This one here is made of cast iron. We're nearly up to date. It's got 1970s there, and now it's today. We use steel, and that's what they look like. So at least you know, and plastic as well. How it's born changed. There's sinks and all sorts up there. Look, washing machines, dishwashers, old to new. Interesting. Tea and sandwiches, yeah? Not real tea, look. It's all stone hard. Very hot. It's very hot. Lava. Do it again. Let's see how high it goes. Oh, you got quite high. Whoa! Bucket pump. Oh, you're doing it in there. Looks hard. I'm checking it out. Oh gosh, it's down at the upper end. Look. Look what we found. It's a mouse. I want to point out something. I will be putting photos up to educate the team, and I've got Instagram, as I told you before. I'll be linking you every time on my Instagram on my videos now, so you can see them all. Attempt it now. Go crazy. You'll get lots of tons. So you get a lot of water, that's it, yay. You've done it. Volumes of water, how much we use. And just to let you know, this is a washing machine. That's quite a lot for a washing machine, right? So how's a bath compared to a shower? Here's a shower, which is quite a bit. And a bath. Too much, so you're better off with a shower. Go inside and have a look. Imagine fire all the way to the back. Nice view though. Potato's on a rest now. Oh, Bob's replacement. You. Potato's not getting the views. What's he looking at? He's looking outside. What's he actually looking at? Oh right, it is nice views. They operate steam at the weekend, so we're going to look forward to that. All this operation and moving and that. I want to show you something really cool. Last time I come, you know, it's a steam museum. It's a nice drop. Look at that. Just to let you know, Sega headquarters, how close we are. This is Sega headquarters right there. And we're right here in the Steam Museum in Kew. This is the modern version of Steam. This is all electric style pumps. This one's from Hammersmith. Pretty cool though. What you see down the bottom there. They're all electric. Wow. They're changing the flow of the river there.
Oh, thank you.
On the high tide. You're doing the leader. Yeah, go for it, go for it, go for it. Turn it, you're going to get on. It's good from this angle. He's doing it, he's doing it. It's a struggle, but he's doing it. He's trying to get this water thing to go as high as him. See how high you can get. Keep going mate, keep going, keep going. You can do it. It's getting higher. It's getting higher. It's getting higher. How far can you reach? How far can he go before he gets soaking wet? If he's getting wet, you can see him. I think it's the highest it goes, isn't it? Yeah. Go on, Nate, off you go. Try and get that as high as you can. Go for it. I'll come round your way and sit better. You can do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Gonna get as high as him without getting soaking wet. He's having a second attempt. Which is quite high now. You've done it! You've done it! He's done it. He just got himself some free water. West London tap water into fresh cool water. So, recyclable basically. Which is good really, from Thames water. But filtered. Enjoying a cup of tea after we've been to the museum. So it's me. You haven't seen her. Do you know, £2 for a tea. We're chilling out before our journey ahead, which should be long. Museum's closed, but we need to see this before we go. We didn't realise this was here. Should have come up here next time. Should have chilled up here, innit? Would have been nice to pick this place to chill out. Not much to chill out here in the garden. What is a steam train? There we are. Here's the train tracks. Steam trains in there. Oh wow. Let's get train trucks, eh? The coal trucks. Waterfall here. We could have stayed up here, couldn't we? Would have been more interesting. That's it, got garden. We can go right around the whole garden. Oh wow. Could have seen all this. The railway, look where the railway goes. Look, there's the railway. It goes all the way around here. Oh, it's awesome. That's nice though. It's a dead end now. Wow. Gardens through there. Should have came here, shouldn't we? Oh, look at that. Wow. I think Potato decided to stay at the museum for a bit. Because he's missing out. Oh, he is missing out. Yeah, he's missing out. Alright, okay, we're on the way to the train station. And I found something interesting just before the station. Yeah, old logo. I often see that on the side of a building. Nice to see it. It's there. Unless they freshened it up. Cupid over southwestern trains. But we're not here for the Botanic Gardens. We didn't even go there. Next time, maybe. We're here to see other trains. But there's a tunnel here. Trains used to go through. It's not in use anymore. Technically saying abandoned, you could say. That's pretty cool. See that? Abandoned tunnel. I don't know if you can see it very well. That's pretty cool. I think what it's used for, doesn't it? There's got railway stuff over there.
Yeah, old railway tracks.
How cool is that? Oh yeah, railway tracks right over there. Railway tracks. We're here on the station, you know. There's another tunnel over there, all blocked off. 707001. Very long. Through Clapham Junction, Britain's busiest railway station.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Queenstown Road.
See a Southern train on the other side. Carriage just there is a 73440.
This is the guard speaking. Welcome aboard this South Western Railway service for London Waterloo, calling at Queenstown Road, Vauxhall and London Waterloo. Safety information is displayed in all coaches. If you do see anything suspicious,
go for a
please bring it to my attention or another member of staff.
Doesn't see that.
Presently in the middle of this 10 coach train, or you can find me on the platforms at the station.
Train's been washed. Don't often see that, do you? Train wash. It's a long train. Original station up there, new station down there. So original one up there now, and the old one down here. On the way to the Waterloo now, by the way. Waterloo. I don't know how you want to say Waterloo. It's Waterloo. Waterloo. Oh, a bit of a common person when I say it's Waterloo. How would you say it? Anyway, I'll be here in October again. I've been many journeys for me actually, checking them all out. But yeah, awesome. Off to the train. Rush hour. Hit the mad hour. At Waterloo, so we're able to get no seat, stand up, feel cramped. One of those things. Come back to Russell just to get a few things because I couldn't do it on my travels. But got free ice cream. Lee's having free ice cream. Bob missed out. Potato can't eat it, so Lee's having it. Oh well. Until next time, I'll see you on an epic adventure somewhere where it's wet, very wet and windy.